object to hit the ground.
Okay, very good. Time taken. I'm not gonna write the whole thing. Okay, time taken. Okay, now, so you can make lines. Did you make graph already in math class?
Yes. No, not in math class.
Which class did you make graph?
For sure, in technology class.
Technology class. We learned technology.
Okay, now, so how many?
So that was Outlook.
So can we, this one should be 0, 0. We're talking about seconds, right? 0, 5, 10. What's the interval? 15, 20, 30, okay, so on. Now, in A, tell me, Sarah, in A, how many minutes, seconds?
2.
So,
1 millisecond.
okay, so if it is 2, do you understand now?
Yeah.
Use the average, okay?
And can we like this?
Your point of reference will be your average.
Can we like this?
Yeah.
Miss Cheeky, is it like this? Which have anything to do with the speed of the plane falling down?
Okay, if the gravitational energy of a falling object is affected by its
Speed.
No, wait, paperclip.
okay.
Gigi,
Yes.
but then Galileo say like everything drops at the same time.
Sorry?
Like Galileo say like everything drops at the same time.
Okay, after that we will remember after this. Is that which? Is this B?
C.
C.
No. Well, if this is C,
We should cut it.
we should cut it.
How long is this?
The wing is 10 cm, Sarah.
Cut 5 centimeters.
And last
Force.
force. First,
Gravitational force.
gravitational force or simply gravity. What's next?
Elastic spring force.
Elastic
Frictional
spring force.
Frictional
Force. So what can you say about the elastic spring force?
It stretches.
It stretched and came back to me.
Okay, the more you stretch or compress,
The more kinetic energy it
the
has.
more stored
Energy.
it will possess. Now, it's either you stretch or compress it. If you compress it, the more stored energy it will have. If you stretch it, the more stored energy it will have. Okay, because once you release them, the kinetic energy is stronger than you don't compress or stretch it out. Okay? After elastic spring force, what's next?
Frictional force.
Okay, very good. Frictional force. Remember, there are advantage and disadvantage of advantages and disadvantages of frictional force. Can you give me one cue?
Of
Give me one advantage of frictional force. Cue. Do not open your notebook. Try to think. Anyone? I'll call you
I
again.
can only remember this
Yes,
advantage.
It prevents living.
It prevents sleeping. Very good.
I only know the disadvantage.
Okay, what advantage?
Like it can stop a moving object.
Okay, it can easily stop a moving object because the direction force is always opposite of the applied force is always opposite of the
Moving object.
object. Yes, Sarah.
Sometimes it uses energy that like doesn't have to be like wasted.
Okay, waste. It can waste energy. Anything else? That's advantage. Disadvantage. Anything else?
Can I open my book?
I what? I forgot your name. May. May. Yes, May.
The one with you.
You can give me one advantage or disadvantage of frictional force. Okay, I'll tell you again. Yes, no, please.
You can like run faster because your feet touch the ground and then you can push yourself.
Okay. Anything else?
More force.
More force?
For gravity, so things more force.
Yes, for easily.
Grab. Grip gripping.
Okay. Now, if there's no frictional force, we always need. We cannot hold things properly. Okay. We don't have good grip for things that don't have good. For things that have less friction. Anything else? How about things like the sole of my every day I just walk.
It wear off.
Okay, it can wear off things. Okay. Now, what's the next one?
Magnetic force.
Okay, magnetic force. We will discuss magnetic force after our activity. Okay? So we done our experiment about elastic spring force. What did you find out about elastic spring force in activity 3.1? I mean 3.2. Yes, Tian.
When there's like more mass, like the spring stretches more.
Very good. The more mass you add, the more
Stretch. Then more kinetic energy.
and
More length.
length. Okay, the more you stretch it out. Okay. Anything else?
The more like potential energy like rate to be raised.
Okay, very good. The more, because once you take out the mass, what will happen? It will go back to its original length. Okay, or state. So we finish our experiment about elastic spring force. This one, if we still have time, we will do our frictional force experiment. Now let's do our gravitational force. Okay, one experiment about gravitational force. Because we skipped this one. Actually, our book does not have any experiment about gravitational force. This one is just an additional activity for you to better understand what is gravitational force. Again, if we still have time, once we finish this, we will move to our experiment about frictional force. Okay? So, who can remember what is gravitational force? Yes, Sarah.
It pulls you down.
Okay. What it is that keeps us on the surface of the earth?
Gravity.
Gravity. What is gravity?
It's a force that pulls you down.
Can you see it?
No.
It's an invisible force that keeps us on the earth's
Yes.
surface. Okay? How about the atmosphere? Remember, Earth is covered with thick layers of atmosphere. So do you think without gravity we will have atmosphere around the Earth?
No.
No. Okay, so gravity is something that, okay, as I told you last, you still remember the, what do you call that? The dog and,
Oh yeah.
On a skateboard?
yeah, on a skateboard. You still remember that?
Yes.
Let me show it again too. Seems that I think it's in chapter 2.
That's energy.
Yeah, it's here.
Okay, now, okay, why do you think the man keeps goes up and down? Why does it float?
Because of gravity.
Because of gravity. Now, how about if we bring this man to space?
Then you'll float.
You'll go away.
Float, why?
Because there's no gravity in
Okay,
space.
let's bring him there. Do you think it will goes up and down?
No.
No. Okay, because there is zero gravity in space. Okay? Now, how about if we will bring the man to
Jupiter.
Jupiter?
He'll go faster.
Go faster? What? Why?
Because there's more gravity.
Okay, because Jupiter has more gravity than Earth. So do you think it will move slow, fast, or fast? Okay, let's bring the skater back. Do you see how it moves?
Yeah.
It's faster than when it is on Earth, right? Okay. How about if we bring the skater to the moon?
He'll fly.
No, he'll go slower.
Why?
Because there's less gravity.
There's no
There's less gravity.
Okay, it has little gravity, okay? Let's bring him to the moon. Oh, where did it go? Okay,
The height is not the same.
let's bring it back. But it moves very slow, yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, still good.
Very, very slow. Okay, now let's go back to our topic. Okay, now, do you still have the paper that I gave you yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, did you pack your paper already?
Yeah.
Okay, cut. Each one of you will receive some paper, okay?
It's so cool.
Did you like this?
Okay, this is group work, everyone.
Okay, so where the
This is group work. I will lend you my. Okay, I will lend you my phone for the stopwatch, okay?
Okay.
How about the stopwatch?
One group will use. Wait, fold the dotted lines first. And please, listen to me. Fold the dotted lines. You're lucky, John, I'm using yours as an example. Okay? Fold the dotted lines. Okay? Fold the dotted lines. Fold. You know what are dotted lines? Fold. If your classmate don't know what to do, please help them.
It's not easy because you need just fold by A, B, C, D. Right?
Yes.
Where's yours, Bella?
What about this?
Now, this one, the wings, these kids, eyes on me first before you fold, you make mistake. Before you make mistake, eyes on me first. Okay, now, the wings, you need to fold them on the opposite side. Okay? Opposite side. Either your E will be in the back side, or D in the front side, or reverse. Okay, this way.
This Gigi, I've tried this before.
Really the same thing?
Yeah.
If you know about it already, just keep quiet, okay? Now, make sure, okay, this one, okay?
Yeah. Do one. And one like
It's difficult to follow the instruction here.
Gigi has this.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Wait.
Now, you need to work as a group, okay?
Okay.
You need to work as a group. This is group activity, but you will have your own records. Write your own records. ICQ, Again, each one of you will receive one paper for your records, okay? But this will be a group work. You understand? Somebody will take the time, will set the time, somebody will check the time, and somebody needs to release. Yeah, you need to release this, the air. So, and you need to wait how many minutes before it will hit the ground?
How many minutes?
I mean seconds.
Seconds.
Okay. Eyes on me first. Okay. So, here, everyone. So you have it and drop from the same height. Again, we have variables and in this activity we have variables and constants. Kids, again, we have variables change it. How about variable?
Something that you need to change.
Very good. Okay. Please try to remember these two words. Okay. Every time we have an experiment, you always encounter these. Now, your paper. Please write your name. Okay. Paper for you. You. Five. Now drop from the same height. Same height. So same height. Is it constant or variable?
Constant.
Constant. Okay. So when you drop them, they must have the same height. So same height. So the height must be constant. So height.
Must be the same.
Yes, it's constant. Okay. How about the shape?
Yes. Yes.
Alright, listen. Listen. Okay. Now, length of wingspan. Again. You pick A, B. How many planes do you need for this activity?
3.
You need 3. A, B, and C. Kindly label your plane A, B, and C. Label A, B, and C.
I'll be A.
Owen has A on it.
I'll be B. I'll be C.
Label your
I'll be B.
A,
But
B,
there's
and
4
C.
planes. I'll be.
How many do you need? That's extra. Okay? A, B, and C.
I'll be B. I'll be
C. Ready?
No, it's A.
Ready?
Wait, here, just one.
A, you're playing A.
Okay, ready? So you still have one spare, okay? Again, you have one spare.
You can be A.
This is 3 planes here.
Okay, kindly go to, wait, everyone, stop. Kindly go to number 2 first. We will go to number 2 first.
Okay.
Number 2, A, B, and C. Now, Aisami, are you ready? Do you have your A, B, and C?
Yeah.
Okay, so you pick 3 paper planes, label them A, B, and C. Now, page number 2. Okay, you need to drop your paper planes from the same height. Okay, the same height. But we have one variable here. One variable, kids. Tammy. It says here A, B, C. Number of paper clips. In letter A, how many paper clips you want to
1.
clip?
1.
Okay, so A, you said you want 1. So you just clip it to the bottom over here, okay? 1 paper clip.
5, 10.
Sorry. So 1 paper clip. 1 paper clip. How about B?
5.
5.
Okay. 2. How about paper
C.
10.
10.
3?
Just 3.
3. Okay.
Take it over.
So 1
From
from
5,
A.
5. Can we do 5?
Then 2. And then 3 paper clips. So in this activity, what is the constant?
Height.
Height. And what's the variable?
Marble is
Okay, number of
paper clip. Wait.
number of
Paper clip.
paper clips or the weight. Okay? Ready? Now, wait, everyone. So you need to drop your A plane. Again, dropping first. The same height, okay? You may step on your chair and drop it to the same height. Okay? Now, set your timer in seconds. Okay? Now, and you need to record your time, okay? When it hit the ground. You understand?
Yeah.
You need to record the time when it hit the ground. Are you ready? Are you ready?
This is so good, look.
Yeah, you ready?
Jumps.
Wala. Wala kang saksak.
Oh, you have to do it 3 times.
No, you need to do it with all of you, Jyoti.
For each of them,
You have to do it 3 times.
No, once.
Sammy, what is the variable?
Okay. Are you recording your record? Your record?
second time?
Second time. Okay. Third time.
The same time. Remember your concern is that right.
Where's the
But technically we start that day.
3. Oh, that was awesome. Wait, who got it?
And drop it.
What? It's me.
It's
It's
Wait,
me.
how?
Wait, how?
No, it's me.
What? Second.
Is there a rate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, 1, 2,
And
Wait, it's just to the side you drop. 2 seconds.
Yeah. So that's the only one. Okay.
Average is
10 times. Drop it to 2 in 3.
no. How to get the average?
6 1 drop.
3 is
2.
2.
You know how to get the average?
Yes.
Add and then divide into
1 second and 8
But
seconds.
then if all of them are the same, what is the average?
1 second and 8 seconds.
So how find the average?
Yeah, I know.
and then divide that. Give her. You can do the calculation.
Okay, hear it? 2 seconds.
What is this?
That is impossible.
Wait, we're not doing that part yet. We're not doing paper air.
Okay.
But that would be quite fun.
Wait.
You don't want to? You want to?
What's the average?
Just click. 1, 2, wait, click.
2 seconds.
We So 1.65.
No, Lala, can you just
Oh, you know why we're doing it? Because there's 1.66. So that's 0 1. What we do is that is in the back. We're putting it down. Okay. Yes.
It's
Right.
okay.
Drop it all. We're doing this one.
Yeah.
Charlie's the second one we're doing now.
No, you have to do the
One, two, one. See? That was A, and then we're going to do B.
Okay, let's see.
Who's next A?
Oh my god!
Three.
Lala, do you want to do it? I don't like these like now.
No, he doesn't want to do it.
We're trying to
Lana, don't try to do it. 1, 2, 3.
But I'm doing three.
What? How do you? No, there's 3 people that's gonna do 3. So 1, 2, and then another.
We have to do three times again. What is this?
Can we restart now? It's one last time.
We already did all of them.
This is really look at the exact time.
I said start
Okay.
all over again because maybe you're way with
1 hour.
Now you listen to me.
Yes, perfect. 1 second is 37 milliseconds.
You're gonna do it.
37 milliseconds. 1 and yeah, 0.37.
Oh, do it. It's correct to me. 1.
Say 1 and 37. What did I do? Second try.
Yeah, do the last one. Or me, or Lana.
Okay, no, 1 more. 3, 2, 1.
Got all of it.
Sarah, look at the sound. 1, 2, 1 and 14.
Okay, Lana, you do 3.
Okay, we're going here. And the last one.
Lana.
Cross your 1, 2.
After that, can I?
Okay, me.
Wait, can we start that one? Because that one was like.
Yeah, I know.
Let me finish it. 1, 2, 3. 3 and 2.
Let me do
1 and 31. My turn.
Okay, ready?
Never scale.
already, you?
Oh, no, no, no.
Okay, it's 2 seconds. It's always because
No. Maybe that's why I'm doing this one or this one.
Did you see already? 320.
Yep. Okay. Drop it. 3, 1, 2.
Yeah, no, you have to do it. Nice to see you.
Well, that's 7 minutes.
Okay, are you done?
can try.
Why you have to tell us?
1 and 12. That's exactly.
I want you to make a graph based from your average. Now you base your graph from your average. Okay, from the average.
Do you want the average for C?
1.16.
Are you gonna like?
Make a graph. Do you know how to make a graph? For sure, you make a graph in math class already.
You know how to make a graph? Yeah, right? So, 0, like this is for the, like, no, the time.
ABC down there and then the time up here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then time, put the time in like 0.5. Or should we put like 1.2, 1.2,
So,
1.0?
What kind of graph are you going to make?
1.0,
Bar graph or line graph?
2, 1.6, 1.8, and 2.
Bar graph.
And now let's see. So A went 1.53.
Bar graph.
Okay, this is all seconds.
What is it?
So
What's a graph?
the first one was 1.5.
And based on the above experiment, this one, based on your
Oh, the average.
records, plot a graph.
So that would go. Yeah.
Remember, you had your average here.